How to save Facebook Messenger messages as PDF. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your Facebook application. Now go to the menu bar. Go to settings and privacy. Go to settings. Now go to see more in account center. Scroll down and then go to your information and permission. Go to download your information, and then all you have to do is simply request a download of your information of your messenger application. You can also do it from your messenger. Simply go to download or transfer information, select your Facebook account, and then go to specific type of information. Scroll down and then go to messages. Go to next and select download to device. Go to format and see if you can find PDF version. If not, first download it as HTML file, and then after it is downloaded you can convert it into PDF file using your browser. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.